Okay, we are having this MacBook. This is a 1989. A 1989. This is I think mid 2019, 2020. This is a Pro version. Usually, opening the back panel entails twisting the front part a little bit, then pulling it out. So it usually has some locks besides it. You open them out like that, the right one as well. Then you pull it out. That is good. And we pull it out like that, a little bit tough. So that is out. This machine is not coming on at all, and it uses Type C, of course. It's taking about 5 volts and some current. Okay, it is drawing some current. This usually indicate a problem with the input circuit. So let's bring in the thermal camera. Let me connect the thermal camera. Usually the input circuit of these specific models, and the most component that usually fails is what we call the power delivery controller. It is the chip that does the negotiation of current, that is from the main source onto the computer. Okay, so let me look for the charger. We'll be shifting back to the thermal camera. We must be very keen to make an observation of whatever is getting warm or whatever is taking the current with 5 volts. It should be doing a negotiation of around 20 volts. 5 volts usually is a sign of, and more so if it is taking 5 volts and some current is being drawn. Something is getting warm somewhere there. Something is getting warm somewhere around there. So it's, yeah, something is getting warm. But it is so far from the input circuit. Okay, it has several CD chips, usually the PD controllers, one on the other side, and one should be on the far left, one on the far right, and one on the far left. So let's check just to confirm if all the PD controllers are okay, and no chip is, oh, we have one here. So this is taking all the current. So this is the chip that is taking all the current. So plugging it in, and you can see current being drawn, and it's getting hot. That is the main reason why it's taking the 5 volts and no negotiation is happening. Let's confirm which chip this is through the scope, and you can see it is a CD3. Let me remove this so that we read the part number well. CD3215 Power Yeah. So CD. I don't know if this chip is programmable or not. Maybe those who have replaced this specific chip, does it work? Brand new chips, that is from one that is not removed from the donor boards. I'll need to order one and see, because I don't have this exact donor. I'll need to order one and make an observation later on. So is a CD3215 94C60FWHB, the G1. So the most important one is just a CD line. I think this chip is available online. Maybe we should check on AliExpress or Alibaba to check if we can make an order. And we should come back in the next video just to confirm whether they need to be reprogrammed or not. Okay,